angel, may falling angel. Fallen angel. Kaya sabi ni Paul, kahit kami man o mga anghel ang mangaral ng iba, ay sa aral na tinanggap nyo, let God's curse fall on them. Let God's curse fall on anyone, including us, or even an angel from heaven. Listen carefully. When the Lord says, "For I know the plan," ang ibig sabihin ng Panginoon, yung malinaw na intention ko, yung aking plano, yung aking iniisip para sa inyo, yung aking gustong gawin para sa inyo. Tandaan ninyo, napakahalagang alam nyo kung saan galing at kung paano nyo ito narinig. Now, mga kapatid kong minamahal, God is reminding us that the Lord wants to bless us. But even the Apostle Paul reminds us that if the message you are hearing is not from the message that he preached when he